If you never do this before, your life will miss out. Country life sweet. When you're in a country, you don't buy these things. I'm a night man. Country life. River setting. Real country life, you see the people. Yeah man, country life different. Almost everything down here free. Alright, see the coconut. It's a dry one this, you know. Pick man, go and pick. Let's see how much I pick from. They want a bigger for real. Right. Shit start looking funny now. Some of them I throw them right there, so on the banking. See there? A visit from nature. Every man got a right to decide his own destiny. In this judgment there'll be no partiality. Brother, you're right. You're right, you're right, you're right, you're... Look on the man, look on the bridge. Can't pay for this, you know. Look there. Banana, coconut, apple tree. Apple or two there on the tree right now. Look at this. This free, you know. All of this is free. Can you imagine? Alright, so this, I saw you try and find crayfish. You know man, rich badness when you can go river or get some coconut. That's a real rich badness, you know. Alright. Want to mash it. Some man are going like them are more countryman than me. I guess it's today well full. Some coconut water still. So one little part we can drink there. solid, man. Let's see if I hit this one. Very sweet. That's it. See that, people? That's a real shit, this, you know. I don't shoot. It's a little bit too mature, but it's good. Kind of taste ashy. Kind of taste ashy, is it? Country life, man. See there? Yeah, so that's the name Grange Content. So when you're going Mayfield Fall is in that direction. Right here, so Grange Content. This is the bridge. We lock off Grange from Content. So I call it Grange Content, or some people call it Grange Content. Yep, so a bridge out there. Red, green and gold. The journey look kind of still like eat my coconut. I get kind of old, you know. Alright, that's a few fish them. Same bridge there. Just from a different angle. A green this, man, everything green. Real, man. Alright, man, you don't need no snacks, you know. You like it? You know what you call this? You call this hidden gem, you know. Look at the water blue. Look at the water blue. Yeah, so, as me I say, one land right up the sun, man, like them does. Cut out a little part of nature. Make a step. I guess a river part to keep. We have one fish pot that we set right there, so we try and catch some fish. I don't know if you can see it. But we have a little fish pot right there, so look from this one, try and dry. You see it? See what I want. Let's see if you can see it. Them we need protein, carbohydrates, up in the water. Mineral them, vitamins them, everything. You know nothing more this. Sorry, that's time. You don't want nothing more this. Feel say me go chat me on. Even though you know say a knife me use. Me have more dexterity in my hands than you. Like I say, you catch great fish up. You take your time, remove the stone.
I just want to see
Thing going on. Like we have a nice little overcast, but the time kind of hot, same way. It's a very delicate process. It takes a lot of time and patience. I'm sure how the climate stay down here now. But at the same time, so when you if you see people. No, yeah, that's stone here. One time hot you just feel nasty down here, so the hot. Now lift up in here just in the more to the side there. inhale and exhale and you not feel no congestion. See there, one nice full plant the pan tree.
Maybe for piston, you can put it, use it one.
I'm
ready for piston.
As far as the eye can see, you can see banana tree and plantain tree. Nice mango tree, but I see this never grow. I never come and see here. One is plantain tree. I'm on a plantain.
Yeah man, a couple of that you have to go through before you get some.
See the one they short, you can just walk up to.
The crayfish there so though.
You can use your hand and put the one. Shorter than the crayfish than the banana tree. The mango tree never bear it, mama. What kind of mango? So, right is it? Or a coffee? It's a cassava. Come on, cassava plant. This is how them use make red stripe beer.
Nothing.
One of the fermenting agent in a red stripe beer.
Alright, the sun will come out a little bit more now.
So, cassava.
We'll catch a couple crayfish still. We might not catch them on camera. But we're going to show you what it look like when everything blow off. And big one?
Pumpkin seed and we as time progress, I get to an age where I know boy I won't have the things to people. And the clear away, yes sir, I'm just going to work from the farm. So a whole path, overgrown vegetation the boat still. This is one now, this is a doctor and cocoa.
Let's see.
Come on.
Current I move them.
We're a famous stock banana pepper.
You still up on that?
Some more coconut.
You can mold it.
All that is about a 6, 7, 8 story building.
So you have a fish gun.
Can't climb them big. You have to get special man to climb them. No but no special man if you climb that. The coolie man there. You see one time you climb and go to go sit down. How much MP if you climb? Passion fruit. One little Indian man. One little Indian man feel it. Then he climb and sit down in their tree top. Sit them up there and pick them. Coconut. Very famous passion fruit.
Let's see.
Let's try and get some herbs to here, mama.
Sit here.
Before we go. Bush. Herb medicine bush them. This is when I walk. Marigold.
See all them dirt here? Full of mineral, you know.
Marigold. And this is
I
Spanish.
use them make mud mass and them thing there.
Yeah, why marigold good for? So like when baby have bad stomach, you can give them this one. They don't want to see them growing a tree here.
This thing from its own mountain.
Yeah,
So when the riverbank come down, nothing can hold it back. You know, Peely? When the riverbank come down, if a tree then I wear a tree, I have to move. Yeah. And clear them.
Clean up the river. The man them use, the man them make some river dam.
Yeah.
And make the river run good. You see like how them are sitting there, man, the man, you see like how stone that pack up the stuff? They move the stone and set it as it can, the water can get to it.
Channel, they want channel the water.
You never eat them.
Yeah, they're selling at about $2,000 for one can. Lie.
They kill him. The last time I come here, I see so much fall. I say, so the basket we go use to try to get some crayfish, because we don't behave so right. Yeah, fish are not getting it.
Your dad don't be attacked you.
Grandfather took you up in the bed.
This is how the river looks after rainfall. After a heavy rainfall, it looks kind of dirty, yeah? But you don't know how everything goes already. In nature, there's a cycle. There's a cycle of life. And this is the cycle. So by about tomorrow morning, the water should be clear again. We have some water from the road and all of that, all of the runoffs. You kind of replenish the river because it did kind of dry down. So we have rain. Rainfall almost every day. Almost every day rainfall always, man. Almost every day. Oh, and then this is Grange content, by the way.